Since our weather is like this today, I'm going to do a little cooking video. Seems like many people are watching the Carp Sashimi video, so I'm going to show you how to make the sauce for Carp Sashimi. Okay, these are the main ingredients, and you just make it sweet and sour. Okay, and people don't usually use this, but I like to use citrus instead of vinegar. You can use vinegar or citrus, and formerly people use any kind of vinegar and some kind of sweetener and miso, and some people add Japanese mustard, hot mustard, but basic ingredients are miso. Okay, let's see, miso like that. Okay, and some type of sweetener, like this one is a rice sugar. Okay, like that. Maybe a little more if you want to make it sweeter. You add a little more. You can use anything, like just sugar or anything you want. Maybe honey's good too. And then citrus. Okay. Basically that's it. And you just mix these to make a paste. Okay. And you also want to peel the skin of the citrus you want to use. In this one, I'm using Japanese citrus called Yuzu. Okay, you want to add that, and to this, and then I had to add a little more miso to make it consistency of paste, like about something like this. Okay, and that's it. This is the, I think, easiest sauce, and probably better than a more traditional one. You could add any type of herbs too if you want, and you can use this sauce for not only for the carp sashimi, but you can use it for steak, anything you want with it. Okay, and that's it. Here's venison stew again. It's a hunter style stew. I used that shank meat and shank bone to make this. Ingredients, it's just traditional hunter style ingredients, like rosemary, herbs, and vegetable. You need to have onion and garlic based um, roux, and then you add water, um, uh, red wine, and tomato. So tomato juice for this stew. Okay, thanks for watching.